Hi everyone, I'm back with another video lesson on syllables. So in continuation with my previous video lessons on syllables and how to break word into syllables. So today I'm going to discuss two more important points to remember when you have to break a word into syllables. So the first thing to remember is how to split a word containing vowel R. That means when a vowel is followed by the letter R, so how do you split the word? So when a vowel is followed by an R, the R changes the way the syllable sounds. And what you need to remember is a vowel and an R together make one sound. Therefore, they should not be split apart. So that is one important point that you need to remember. For example, if you have the word market, I've highlighted the the letter A in black. That is the vowel that comes before R here. So, though we have another vowel here, as a rule, we have to underline all the vowel, right? But here I'm focusing more on the vowel that is followed by the letter R. So, as per rule, so we don't need to split the the letter A and R because they together make one sound. So A and R together make one vowel sound. Therefore, they should not be split apart. So A and R should not be split apart. In the same way, we have the word mermaid. So again, here I have highlighted the vowel R, right? E and R. So though we have another set of vowel, there is a vowel theme here, A and I. But we are not focusing on this one. We are focusing more on ER, right? Vowel E and letter R, mermaid. Okay, so they should not be split apart, mermaid. In the same way, we have 13, IR. Okay, 13. We have forgive, burger. So here you will notice two sets of vowel R, that is U, R and then ER. So burger. So I have given you examples of you can see vowel R with all the five vowels A, E, I, O, U. Right? Okay, so the next point I was telling you, I told you that I'm going to discuss two important points, right? The second point here is splitting a word ending in LE. So when the letters LE comes at the end of a word, right? How do you split the word? Or how do you break the word into syllables? So LE is a word tail. So always remember that it's a word tail and comes at the end of a word. And it makes the sound, though it looks like L-E, Lee, but then you need to remember the sound that it makes is not Lee, it's O, O. So to read a word that ends in L-E, so there is a strategy that you need to keep in mind. That is, count back 3 and split the word, right? How should you do that? Yes, count back 3. It's 3, 2, 1, split. Okay. Okay, let's see how we need to do this. Say, for example, we have the word apple. And what do you see? We have the word letters LE at the end, right? And so what we will do is we will count back 3. 3, 2, 1, split. And so what do we get? We get apple, a two-syllable word, right? Then we have another word with LE at the end. So we will count back 3. 3, 2, 1, split. And what do we get? We get candle, right? A two-syllable word. Next, we have another word with LE at the end. And again, we will count back 3. 3, 2, 1, split. Right? And how do we break this? I have told you in my previous lessons, we have to underline the vowels. We have I, we have A here, and then we will split. right? Triangle. So it's a 3-syllable word. Triangle. Okay, triangle. And another one with LE at the end. 3, 2, 1, split. Okay, so we will underline all the vowels here. I, again one I here, and split. Okay, so what do we get? We get invisible. So a 4-syllable word, invisible. So I hope you will remember the 2 important points that I have discussed in terms of breaking word into syllables with vowel R and then word ending in LA. So please keep that in mind, and I'll see you soon in my next video lesson. Thank you.